5 types of HVAC systems for residential homes. In today's world, understanding the best options for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning is crucial for homeowners looking to maximize comfort and efficiency. With various advances in HVAC technology, selecting the right system for your home can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, this guide will simplify these choices by providing an in-depth look at 5 popular types of residential HVAC system. Whether you're a homeowner, property manager, or HVAC technician, this post offers valuable insights into each system's components, functionality, and energy efficiency to help you make an informed decision. What is a residential HVAC? Residential HVAC systems are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor climate, no matter the season. These systems control heating, ventilation, and air conditioning in homes by regulating temperature, humidity, and air quality. They consist of key components such as furnaces, air conditioners, and ductwork, which work together to provide efficient heating and cooling while promoting healthy air circulation. By understanding these components, you'll gain a clearer picture of how each element contributes to creating a comfortable living environment. Furnace. A furnace is a vital part of many HVAC system, providing heat through gas or electricity. It's designed to distribute warm air throughout your home via ductwork, ensuring that every room reaches the desired temperature. When selecting a furnace, consider factors like fuel type, efficiency ratings, and size to ensure optimal performance for your specific needs. Air conditioner. Air conditioners play a significant role in cooling your home by extracting heat from indoor spaces and releasing it outdoors. This process not only cools your living areas but also helps maintain optimal humidity levels. Central air conditioning systems use a network of ducts to circulate cooled air, while mini-split units offer targeted cooling for specific rooms. Heat pump. Heat pumps are versatile components that provide both heating and cooling by transferring heat between indoor and outdoor environments. They function efficiently in moderate climates where extreme temperature fluctuations are less common. One advantage of heat pumps is their ability to reduce energy consumption by up to 50% compared to traditional HVAC system. Ductwork. Ductwork serves as the conduit for distributing conditioned air throughout your home in forced air systems. Properly designed and installed ductwork ensures consistent airflow, reducing energy waste and improving comfort levels. It's crucial to regularly inspect and maintain ductwork to prevent leaks, blockages, and other issues that can impact overall system efficiency. Thermostat. The thermostat is the central control point for your HVAC system, allowing you to set and adjust temperature preferences for optimal comfort. Modern thermostats range from basic manual models to advanced programmable and smart versions that learn your habits and optimize energy usage. Investing in a high-quality thermostat can significantly enhance your system's efficiency and performance. Ventilation systems. Ventilation systems regulate airflow and facilitate air exchange between indoor and outdoor environments, ensuring fresh air circulation throughout your home. Correct ventilation is essential for maintaining healthy indoor air quality by removing pollutants, allergens, and excess moisture that can lead to mold growth. 5 types of residential HVAC systems. Now that we've explored the different components of a residential HVAC system, let's take a closer look at 5 popular types of systems. Each offers unique features and benefits, allowing you to find the perfect solution for your home's needs. Number 1. Heating and air conditioning split systems. Heating and air conditioning split systems consist of an outdoor unit and an indoor unit. This type of system cools the air with the outdoor unit while the indoor unit circulates conditioned air through ducts. In colder months, the furnace provides the necessary heat. These systems are best suited for homes with existing ductwork, offering a comprehensive solution for year-round heating and cooling. However, it's essential to note that they may require more energy for larger spaces due to heat loss in ducts. Additionally, performance can decrease in extreme temperatures, leading to increased energy usage. Despite these potential drawbacks, split systems remain popular for their versatility and ability to maintain consistent indoor temperatures across all seasons. Number 2. Heat pump systems. Heat pump systems consist of a heat and an indoor air handler. They work by transferring heat from outdoors to indoors for heating and vice versa for cooling. Heat pumps are particularly effective in moderate climates where extreme cold is less common. One significant advantage of heat pump systems is their energy efficiency. They can be up to 50% more efficient than traditional HVAC systems like furnaces and boilers, significantly reducing energy consumption and associated costs. For homeowners seeking an eco-friendly heating and cooling option, heat pumps provide a sustainable solution without compromising comfort levels. Their dual functionality makes them an attractive choice for those looking to minimize their carbon footprint while maintaining a comfortable living environment. Number 3. Ductless mini-split systems. Ductless mini-split systems feature an outdoor compressor and one or more indoor air handling units, typically wall-mounted. These systems provide zoned heating and cooling by conditioning specific areas of the home without requiring ducts. Each indoor unit can be controlled independently, allowing for customized comfort throughout your living spaces. These systems are ideal for homes without ductwork, room additions, or energy-conscious homeowners looking to control different areas of the house separately. By allowing targeted temperature adjustments, ductless mini-split systems reduce energy waste in unused spaces, resulting in lower utility bills. Another benefit of ductless mini-split systems is their ease of installation. Since they don't require extensive ductwork, these systems can be quickly and efficiently integrated into existing homes or new constructions without significant renovations. Number 4. Packaged HVAC units. Packaged HVAC units house both heating and cooling components in a single unit, which is often placed outside the home. These systems deliver conditioned air into the home through ductwork, making them suitable for homes with limited indoor space or those lacking basement or attic areas for separate units. Installing a packaged unit involves placing it on the roof or ground outside your home, attaching the necessary ductwork, and connecting any required wiring and gas lines. Once installed, these systems provide efficient heating and cooling without occupying valuable indoor space. Modern packaged systems with high SEER ratings can save 10 to 15% more energy compared to older units. This makes them an attractive option for homeowners seeking a compact, efficient HVAC solution that doesn't compromise performance or comfort. Number 5. Geothermal heat pump systems. Geothermal heat pump systems use a heat pump that exchanges heat with the ground rather than the air. This unique setup utilizes the Earth's stable underground temperature to provide both heating and cooling. In winter, heat is extracted from the ground and delivered indoors, while in summer, excess heat is released back into the ground. These systems are best suited for energy-efficient homes with a long-term focus on sustainability and those in areas with suitable land for ground loops. While geothermal systems require a higher initial investment, they use up to 60% less energy compared to conventional systems, offering significant long-term savings and environmental benefits. For homeowners committed to reducing their carbon footprint and minimizing energy consumption, geothermal heat pump systems provide a highly sustainable solution that aligns with green building practices. Evaluating HVAC efficiency ratings. Understanding efficiency ratings is crucial when selecting an HVAC system. These ratings help you determine which systems will provide the best performance and energy savings for your home. Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio or SEER. The SEER rating measures air conditioner efficiency. Higher SEER ratings indicate greater energy savings, making them an essential factor when comparing air conditioning systems. Investing in a high SEER unit can lower your utility bills while providing consistent, reliable cooling during hot weather. Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency or AFUE. Heating systems use the AFUE rating to measure efficiency. An AFUE of 90% or higher indicates a high-efficiency furnace or boiler, capable of converting a substantial portion of fuel into usable heat. High AFUE units not only reduce energy consumption but also contribute to a lower carbon footprint, making them an environmentally responsible choice. Comparing SEER and AFUE ratings. Comparing SEER and AFUE rating helps identify energy-efficient systems tailored to your home's needs. High-efficiency units may cost more initially, But they offer long-term savings and environmental benefits by reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. By understanding these ratings and their implications, you can make informed decisions about which HVAC system will provide the best balance of performance, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness for your specific situation. Conclusion: choosing the right HVAC system for your home depends on factors like climate, budget, and energy efficiency. Whether you need a central system, ductless solution, or energy-efficient heat pump, it's essential to find a design that suits your needs. At Design Scorpion, specialize in providing the best HVAC design solution for homes, ensuring optimal comfort, efficiency, and air quality. Design Scorpion team of experts can help you select and implement the ideal system to enhance your home's comfort while reducing energy costs. Reach out to us for customized HVAC designs that meet your unique requirements. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.